In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Todoist Calendar. If you're looking to supercharge your productivity by integrating a calendar with your to-do list, then this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Todoist website. You'll need to search for Todoist using your search engine and then click on the link to the official Todoist website. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Look for the login button typically located in the upper right corner of the page and give it a click. Here, you'll see various options to log in. If you're a fan of streamlined processes, you might choose the Continue with Google option. This just makes it easier and quicker if you already have a Google account. After you've selected your Google account and logged in, you'll be taken to the Todoist homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. On the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation menu. Go ahead and locate the upcoming option. This is where you'll be able to see your scheduled tasks for the days ahead. Now, at the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a display button. Give it a click, and from the available options, select Calendar. This move is where the magic begins, as it takes you to the visual layout of your tasks. At this point, a prompt will appear mentioning the Pro plan. Indeed, accessing the full calendar capabilities does require an upgrade to the Pro plan. To proceed, click on Continue to Checkout. It's time to enter your payment details, so ensure you have the necessary information ready. This will include entering your payment method and selecting your country from a drop-down list. Once all your details are in place, you simply need to click on the Subscribe button. Voila! You now have access to Todoist calendar features. This fantastic tool allows you to time block tasks around events, providing a clear picture of how your time is distributed. You can view your schedule in a visual timeline, which is especially helpful for those who appreciate seeing their day or week laid out in front of them. Additionally, the drag and drop feature is a true game changer. It allows you to set specific times and durations for your tasks, giving you the flexibility to adjust your schedule as needed. And there you have it. You're all set to leverage the Todoist calendar to its full potential. Take the time to explore, and soon enough, you'll find yourself managing your tasks more efficiently and effectively. Thanks for joining me today. Happy planning!